This is your Lino and with baby
Princess.
And we will play a Lego toy.
You mean Lego?
Yes, a Lego. Okay.
Or Mickey game.
Last time, pumunta kami sa SM Susumo sa Princess ng isang Lego toy na kanyang brand ay Pogo. So ngayon, mag-play tayo ng Lego sa flats.
My favorite toy.
Oo. So, buksan mo na.
Okay. Come on, let's do it. We're gonna start it.
So, ito yung mga pieces na. Wow, dami.
It's 600 pieces.
Okay. Okay.
Hello. It's falling down. And we have blue light.
Ano bang gagawin ko dito sa Lego?
We're gonna build that. And we have and my brother is gonna make SM and I'm gonna make a house.
Oh, yes. Baby Princess gagawa ng bahay. Ako naman gagawa ko ng
SM. Where we went last time.
Oo. Hindi na tayo ng mga building blocks. Marami-rami tayo. Gagawin ito. Ito na yung mga surface ko.
No, I need that.
Gagawin na.
How am I gonna make a house without that? How am I gonna make a house? I need a few pieces. And let's hide this.
Ito na. Gumagawa na ako na
SM.
ano yan? Unang floor. Okay. So, ano nang gagawin mo, Baby Princess?
I'm making a house, remember?
Ito na yung ano niya, pinaka-ultimate na SM. So, gagawa ko ng SM yung kasing ng mga langgam. Eh, siyempre, kung kasing size lang sila eh. Tayo mga sabi.
Oh no!
Tayo.
Oh no! Oh yeah!
Na, SM maraming bubong. Kaya, wala tayo ng madaming bubong para sa SM.
You okay? First,
Ito yung para sa mga taxi. Stop.
sign, stop
Oo.
sign.
Pag yung mga passenger mag-aabang ng taxi. Imagination lang talaga ako sa paggawa ng Lego toys. Baby Princess.
I'm an expert.
May mga characters din dito, mga tao-tao.
And we can make a family.
Ay, sakto mo, wa. Oh, may bilog ako, oh. Oo na yung gagawin. Ayan pa rin na.
That's funny.
Okay. Character. Dapat nandito si Henry.
Wala. Wala siya dito.
Siya ginagawa ko na.
Isa lang leg. Oh no. Nahulog. Okay, no.
Monday, wheelchair ni Henry. Bilis.
Sabi mo legs nila.
Okay.
Bakit hindi ito na lang?
So, we will
Bakit
start
hindi ito?
the creation. Ito yung pinaka-board design. Ito yung parang yung globe ng MOA.
Ano I need more.
Simple lang naman ang sa akin.
Aww.
Ha?
Hey, I need that.
Ha? Kailangan mo.
I need more of them.
Ito pa. Ayun mo naman. Ito yung parang darkening ng mocha.
I needed this.
Hindi po ka na po. Then, ito yung pinaka-stand. Yung stand niya ba? O, diba? Kuha niya. Then, we will create the tree. So, di ba maraming puno sa MOA?
Yes. A lot of them.
Ayan.
That's the
Puno.
store.
Ay,
Where's the white? Oh no, I needed that.
okay.
Oh no, I need one more. No, I needed this.
Sa tao.
I needed the block.
Dami.
Ano?
So, kasi Princess Nawai. Yes. So, ano na yung nagagawa mo? Pakita mo nga. Palagi.
This. Now?
Okay, so sa kanya ba? Ito, sa akin naman. Wow. So, payong. Payong.
Ah! Purple piece. Purple piece. Oh no. Six. Purple thing. There's it. This is cool.
Okay. Ito na ang building na. So, gagawa tayo ng maraming puno ng MOA. Puno.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you put in there?
Sa puno.
Oh, here.
Nasa MOA. Nasa floor.
What happened inside?
Siyempre din. O yan. Sabay kita.
Ah. Oh no.
So, gagawa din tayo ng pinaka wheelchair ni Henry.
Who are we kidding? Who are you kidding me? Ah. Ah. Is there any blue? Oh, there's. Yes. Please. Oh, I needed that for the thing. It's okay. Yeah, the wheelchair right here. And all I needed was blue. Oh, we found it.
Okay, pakita mo na yung gawa mo. Yung kalate. Wow. Okay, that's so nice. And sa akin,
And I'm gonna make an elevator. Elevator.
malapit na magawa ang Mall of Asia.
You have to make more, Kuya. Making an elevator is so I'll make it soon. Okay, where's the sixth floor? You need it. Sixth floor. No, it's the sixth floor.
Okay, so malapit na po kami matapos. Ito na yung ibang parts na MOA. Okay, and then puno na lang. So kailangan ko ng
Uno.
yung pinaka-wood niya ba? Wood.
Wood.
Yan.
So, just
Ano na lang, pinukuha ko dito.
more whites. It's the whites. Oh, I need it.
Ikunin mo.
It's working.
Hindi na. Natuwa na ako ng puno. O, diba? O, dalawang puno na. Ito na yung globe. Okay, and then kailangan ko ulit ng brown. So, ito.
Ah!
Continue na lang natin to.
Why? This is happening.
Ayan. Continue na lang natin. Ang motivation. And baby princess, can you show all of
Okay.
us what you've done now?
Wait, that one. Now, I'm still not done. It's giving me more.
As ito, nagawa ko na yung short or parang pasukan ba nila? Pasukan.
Sure.
Ang mall entrance.
We have a pool in our
Ito lang
house.
pagka mag-build tayo. So, para na rin tayong gumagawa ng totoong bad. Para tayo nagma-Minecraft. So, we are playing Minecraft also. Tapos sa totoong buhay, so, we're just like building our dreams. Diba?
Your dreams come true.
Oo. Ito tayo sa City of Dreams. Ito din.
If you want your dreams to come true, you have to build it with Lego. If you have no Minecraft and it's too expensive to buy, so just get Lego instead.
Tama.
But it's like Minecraft too. Oh no.
So dami pa, oh. Oh, yeah.
There's
Oh.
6,000 pieces in there.
Okay. Ayun, nagawa ko ng kalahati. Oh, di ba? So, parang may halin tulad sa Conrad Hotel. Di ba?
Yeah, it's kind of right.
Madami pa yun. Meron pa nga silang SSD.
One, two, welcome to thrill. Four. Hey, Kuya, you can use this as a SM bag.
Ano, very good. Oh, yung SM bag, yung yung sa mga hypermarket.
Cause it has handles.
Yes, very good.
And I'm gonna make a toilet for them. I think I'll make the toilet.
Okay. Toilet. So, nakapokus ang Lego so that makita nyo yung Lego. So, nagano yung mukha ko.
Right.
Masyado ng exposure ang mukha
And-
ninyo.
We need to find a table. So, first we need instead of the
Mga
table.
gold. Wow. Hindi natin itong design.
Perfect! The carpet! When you're done swimming!
Okay, gawa na po ang Lego ng ninong nyo and we have now the SM MOA. Ayun pa talaga yung logo ng SM ko. O, ito yung pinaka MOA ay yung nakikita yung mga logo ng SM natin, yung plastic. Ayun. So, ito yung MOA ay ito yung parang stop and go ng mga dadana taxi.
Anderson!
Yes, Henry. Anong Henry C?
Henderson.
Henry C, ayan. So, kitang-kita yun naman. Nakuha ko yung kanyang wheelchair at yung kanyang aura. So, meron pa siyang yung tawag dito parang pang-corona. Hindi yung COVID na corona, yung yung pang-king. Kasi sabi ni Princess, King of Philippine Business siya. Ayan. So, ito yung globe, yung mga puno, yung mga amusement, yung mga other buildings, and dito banda, mga staff, yung mga shopping, tapos ito yung cashier, ito yung parang yung
Tao na, yung cashier na tao,
tapos ito daw yung pera, pambayad.
ang bayad, at mayroon pa sa akin.
Wait lang. At syempre, pangpaswerte ng mga in-check, ang kanilang pagkain, siopaw. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ito
That's
yung
true,
aking
baby.
nagawa. Mini SMO1. Hindi ko
One eternity later.
This is the family. This is her dad, and this is the mom, and this is the child. She's 16, and she's like 31. He's 51. And this is the CR right here, and the bed, and there's like a eating area, and here we have a swimming pool, and they have a door to it. And this is the you know, the where you cook, and there's an elevator.
ang social naman ang bahay nila.
Yeah, kasi may pera sila. At yung dating bahay nila, may stock na pera sa likod, pero hindi na. Kasi baka, at ito yung dating bahay nila, meron like, ito yung secret door na papunta sa cage, pero wala na. Ito yung bagong bahay nila.
Okay, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa nanood and God bless all of you. At dagdag ko lang din, ito yung pinaka niya, di ba? Yung MOA eye, kasi tingnan niyo naman yung size niya. Pang MOA eye, tapos yun yung Wikilia. As you can see here, Henry is the king of Philippine business. We see this action of serving. Naka-ready yung mga shopping bag.
Yeah.
Diba? Sa
For
mga shopping.
any customers can get one bag and shop and buy.
Oo, talagang iniisip tayo lagi ni Henry sa tuwing papasok tayo sa kanyang SM Supermalls. Naka-ready na yung mga shopping bag, yung mga lagayan
good
sa inyong mga
seeing.
bibili.
Good seeing.
Ah,
I found this for Kuya.
ito yung mga pulong natin sa MOA. Okay, thank you. And once again, ito yung gawa ni Princess.
And this is the bahay, and there's an elevator and a pool.
Okay, thank you. See you for another video vlog.
See you next in another next video.
Okay.